I treated myself to a little Neo, original Neo, for Christmas this year, along with the remote controller, and of course I already had the Goggles 3. You need this remote controller, I think it's the Model 3, because the connection to the quad is only from the goggles. So the goggles talk to the quad and the controller talks to the goggles. So the signal goes through that way. So you can't just use any controller. And here's my first flights. Okay, as I take off, you can see it's a bit wobbly. I'm just literally trying to feel out the drone at the moment, and to be honest, it's quite floppy. It's underpowered compared to many quads I fly, so I'm just sort of getting a feel for how it handles. Now we switch to the rock steady that's built into it. I didn't bother doing post stabilization. This is just the rock steady straight out the drone. And you see when I did that turn, it lost a lot of height. There's quite a strong wind coming from my right in this. So coming from the left side of the screen as you're seeing it now, and the drone is quite strongly affected by wind. It's also quite strongly affected by impact. Whoops! Still, no damage, it was just a little bit dirty which wiped off. You can see that after that, the home location indicated is out, even though it took off in the same place. I'm trying a very simple twist there and it didn't work very well. Feeling a bit under speed. So what I did is I stopped for a moment and updated the angle of the camera to 25 degrees, which allowed it to move forward a bit better. Checking a bit more range here just to see if I lose a lot of connection. You can see the wind, the effect of the wind, it's really angling the camera over there. I don't think I saw the speed drop below 50 megabits the whole flight. I do appreciate the longer flying time that this small quad has compared to many others where I only have maybe 4 minutes, 5 minutes. This definitely gives you up to about 8 or 9 on a battery of decent flying speeds. I think the picture quality is decent as well, considering it's a very small drone, very lightweight. trying some lower flying here, trying to improve the, increase the sense of speed. You can see it's still quite wobbly in the actual live view. And here's why I put back into standard mode and then into sports mode and then into standard mode sort of thing. Normal mode. Just to land it, I thought I'd try that. Usually when I'm flying quads I just get near the target and just disarm. This was quite different. Second battery now, and this one, instead of trying to go for length, I'm trying to push it a bit more acrobatically and just trying to feel out what this drone will do. Again, when we switch back to the rock steady, somehow my flying looks so much better. And as I was trying to see what it would do in a proper flip over, that was much better. Now I've got a bit more of the feel for the drone. Flying low is always fun. If you see here, I'm trying to see how fast it can gain height. It's quite underpowered. Took all that time just to get to 38, 40 meters, 50 meters. It's just rather slow. Pull-outs I had to do really early to ensure I didn't run out of power. And see that wobble? That wasn't me, that was the drone not liking what I was doing, and it did it again. That was all a sharp left turn. Something this quad was known for right at the very beginning, even when flying with the joystick option, the single arm. So at its limits it's a little bit unstable. So here I'm trying to trigger it again by doing tight lefts and rights, but I think it needs some forward with it as well to really trip it up. Still, it's a nice little quad for exploring. And always more fun to fly manually.
Would I recommend this quad? Yeah, it's not bad. It's really nice picture quality for the price. And if you're wanting to get into FPV, it's not the worst. Just don't expect it to be overly aerobatic. And it's quite light to carry around with you as well, which is always good.